Welcome back, heroes. This is Christian back in with another video just for all of you guys. They finally have come in, guys. These X-Gen Auto taillights for the Supra A90 just came in, and ooh, I'm so excited to show you guys exactly how these are. Oh man, shout out one more time again to X-Gen Auto. We got the taillights, gonna go ahead, the PRE Racing. Woo, these taillights are so sick. So sick. Looking forward to showing you and everybody just how awesome these taillights will just make the Supra look. They have the same kind of styling as the headlights as far as the clear and the black. So I think it's going to be a great job of matching. Hey guys, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's get these bad boys in. Let's get to the video. Let's get it. Peace. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you guys have done so much stuff to the car, so. Oh man, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, at nighttime that's gonna be really nice, actually. Oh yeah, that looks mean. Yeah, that looks clean, actually. Let me run to the other side now. Run to the other side. Dang, that looks so clean. Dude, that looks clean. From the outside?
It's kind of cool, you can like look at it like from this side.
See, that's why I like these, because they're like, it's almost like a clear glass.
Yeah.
So you can see through it.
Pretty cool.
So it's like a see-through, yeah, I like that.
It's crazy what they can do now.
Right? Like, some I saw that were like all black here, so you couldn't see. But I like being on the side where you can kind of see through it, because it matches the headlights. So I was like, yeah, let me see how like see how the headlights are kind of like that see-through. Yeah. You can kind of see.
Yeah, bro.
It's clean, dude. Oh, dude, look at that. Hey, look at you building this car, dude. Damn, that looks hella clean like that too. If I went and let like it blacked out too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that blue and the black looks really nice, actually.
These emblems?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
BMW emblems?
Yeah. people were joking I should get like BMW wheels and BMW emblems. Damn, yeah, that looks super nice, super clean.
Can we turn on the lights?
Oh yeah. I can do it real quick. Yeah, I like that.
Are they on?
Yeah, they're on now. Yeah, guys, you can see from the side. Before, like with the other taillights, you couldn't see from the side, but from the side, that's gonna look at nighttime.
Crazy.
Seeing like that red.
Night Rider, this thing.
Oh hell yeah, dude, that is. We're gonna have to switch turns. I'm gonna have to drive your car one of these days. You're gonna have to drive this. Again, this is a lot more red than it looks on camera. It looks a lot orange here, but damn, in the see-through. Yeah, this. Oh man, this is my Supra, guys. We have done it. Building the Supra, building the Corvette. Lots of more content coming to the channel. Wait for the plane. Y'all, I don't even know if the video is even doing this justice, but man, these look so sick. Like absolutely so good, man. And again, I love that they're clear so you can see through. Look at this. Dang, look at that. Like, it's a little dark out here now, but dang. They look so fire. Man, shout out to these taillights. And take a look at this Supra, man. Dang. Woof. This car is now finally starting to come together a little bit. Finally starting to come together. I'm so excited. So happy, man. Just, dang, look at everything, man. From the VERUS chassis splitter, Canards, the homie Sayber designs, Seibon right here. Just everything, side skirts, ADRO wing. Now we got the tail lights, AWE, exhaust. We got video coming on of that, even the wrap. Dang, this car is starting to come together. Let me go ahead and turn the lights on, so you guys can see. Again, I'm not even sure if the video is actually like, it looks different in the video, but in person, it's a lot more red. All right, you can see, you can kind of see how the lights go. Pretty fire. But yeah, it's a lot more red. I know the camera's making it look orange, I think, but it's definitely a lot more red. These look absolutely insane. Again, this is a lot more red. All right, you guys, so it's the next day to see at the shop working on McLaren at IWrap. But man, y'all, take a look at the Supra and the tail lights. Man, so good. Really hard to explain or showcase how they look definitely in person. But in person, they are definitely really nice. Definitely match the car very well. I think it goes well with black, blue, white, you know, those type of colors for the car, and pretty much almost anything. But man, y'all, we're getting closer and closer to really making this the dream Supra. Really excited to showcase you guys what is coming next, not just for the channel, not just for the car, but for just everything that I have going on. Got some good news as far as the health, getting much better with the foot and the Achilles and the shoulder and the bicep. But I'll give you guys an update on the next video. Man, jeez. But anyway, y'all, once again, IWrap, thank you for hooking it up with the car, doing an amazing job in the wrap. Thank you to PRE Racing for doing awesome installs in the car, and just all of you for supporting the channel. Man. Woof. Hope everyone has a great day. Sorry for being away for a little bit. I want to take my nice 1 month break off of just doing content and YouTube and just videos. But I'm back. Got lots of stuff coming, lots of content, and let's get to it.